Welcome to the Fleetman demo. Each fleet manager wants to have both detailed insight and complete picture of his fleet. Fleetman makes it easy to achieve thanks to its graphic dashboards. They are fairly interactive, so let's have just a quick glance at how they work. Interactive dashboards are usually the first screen you will see in Fleetman. So to give you an example, I will select the vehicle dashboard. The pretty charts you see function as filters as well. You can filter the vehicle list on the left simply by selecting various parts of the chart. As a model task, let us say we need to select vehicles from Brno fleet that are disabled due to the ongoing service. And here we are. Of course, regularly used filters can be saved. And the views for advanced reporting can be exported to Excel. And for the more demanding amongst you, we can connect Fleetman to the Power BI data analytics and visualization tool.
Konica Minolta. Rethink today to redefine tomorrow.